Transform the way you've always labeled. The BradyPrinter M611 Mobile Printer with Express Labels mobile app is your durable, print-from-everywhere solution. This printer's integrated with mobile and desktop software, powered by the Brady Workstation platform, making the transfer of label files, templates, and data easier and more efficient, so you spend less time labeling. You've been there. You're in the field and realize you don't have the labels you need. Before, you had to drive back to the office or wait for a delivery, but not with the M611 Mobile Printer and Express Labels mobile app. Together, they bridge the gap between the office and the field. With just a quick phone call, you get the correct labels pushed to common cloud providers. Use the mobile app to download, then print via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and you're back to work. The Brady Workstation Express Labels mobile app is your one-stop shop to put data on your labels. Get your data file from the cloud, an email, or easily enter it yourself. Plus change font sizes and create a variety of barcodes too. Made to keep you printing, the compact design means it fits in cramped and cluttered areas. There's a convenient sling pack too, so you're carrying the complete solution with you. As a bonus, if your phone battery dies, you can charge it in a pinch with the printer's lithium-ion battery. For printer status, material information, and to change printer settings, use the built-in color touchscreen. Need the ability to connect in a variety of ways? No problem. The BradyPrinter M611 boasts wireless connectivity options, as well as a PC Connect USB 2.0 port, so you keep printing in any setting. In the office or on the go, rugged, small, and efficient, the BradyPrinter M611 mobile printing solution transforms your mobile printing needs.